very early, guys. I just woke up. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning. My dad just woke me up. He said, "We are leaving this place." So we are finally leaving this place. It's been an awesome week we spent here. Enjoy a lot. But we are leaving now, so I have to pack up my stuff and get going. By the way, it's 5 a.m. in the morning and I just woke up. I don't want to go right now. I just want to sleep, but we have to go. I'll sleep in my car. And I forgot to mention, it's my sister's birthday. She's turning 9. So yeah. I'm really gonna miss this, guys. The weather here is 21 degrees Celsius. Right now it's like 19 degrees Celsius because it's 5 a.m. in the morning. And weather in Punjab is like 44 or something. And I don't want to leave. This place is so gorgeous, man. Have a look last time. We are living this. Mania? Mania? Happy birthday. Thank you. Now guys, I'm finally home. It's good to be back, guys. Good to be back. And I'm uploading the vlogs that I made on HP. So it's gonna take time. We are back home. It's like 4:20. I took a nap. That was like one or 2 hours nap, and I am uploading the vlogs which I made in HP. So it is so hot here, man. And my 90s, it was like 21 degrees Celsius, 20, 21, 19, 18, between this. And over here it's like 40, 41, 39. And I'm recording in my chat. You know how hard it is to not live without your internet, not live without your social media, not live without YouTube, not live without Facebook, Instagram, blah blah blah, etc etc. And I did it, man. I did it for 1 week. I did it for 1 week. I didn't use any internet the whole week. I'm back at it again with those nooties. Yeah, guys, we are heading out somewhere. I don't know where we are going, but we are going somewhere. And you guys might be thinking why I'm wearing this shirt again, because let me explain to you guys. We just came from my Nanji's house, and it's all muffled up. So I just saw this shirt. I was like, okay, this shirt is nice. I'm gonna wear this shirt. Blah 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 blah. So yeah, guys, we are going. I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be making videos. I'm not gonna be vlogging, but I'm gonna be making videos. So. Yeah guys, I came here to record some about you guys. I'm not gonna vlog in front of my family because that would be too awkward, so I came in the bathroom to record some time with you guys. And we are in Viva Collage Mall, and after that we're gonna go to Haveli. So it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be making videos of it, not a vlog. So let's roll. So guys, I'm hanging out alone because I need to make a vlog of this. I'm not with my parents. My parents is shopping, and I'm just wandering around, just roaming here and there. I'm gonna catch you guys soon. So that was just a little update. Alright guys, we are back, and I'm tired of this. I'm tired. I'm gonna sleep after doing some editing work and uploading work to my YouTube channel. And love you guys so much for 100 subscriber. I didn't believe that I got 100 subscriber, guys. When I was a young kid, like 11 or 10 years maybe, we used to go to Haveli like 2 or 3 times per month, and that was the best place to hang around, guys. Best place to have special time, best place to have dinner and all. But the thing is, the time is going on. We all are busy in our life. We don't get time for, loved ones. Do take time for your loved ones, guys. And yeah guys, I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if you enjoyed it. Comment down what you think of this vlog. So bye bye guys. Thank you very much for watching till the end. Live long, stay strong. Bye bye guys.